How to fix Twitch app not loading. Hello everybody, to fix a Twitch app that's not loading, you may follow up this method. First thing you can apply up is you can check your internet connection. So head over to the main settings of your device. After that, head over to connections and then ensure that your internet speed meets Twitch requirement at least 3 to 6 Mbps. Otherwise, you can try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or use mobile data to see if the issue persists. Another thing is you may update your Twitch app. So head over to Play Store and then go to the search and then search for Twitch. Just go ahead and search for Twitch and then ensure that your application is updated to the latest version, that you are using the latest version of the Twitch app from your App Store or Google Play Store. Apart from that, you can try uninstalling the application and again reinstalling the application to fix potential installation issues. And you can also clear cache and data. So head over to your settings, go to apps, and then go ahead and search for Twitch in the search. And then open it up, go to storage, and then go ahead and clear the cache, also clear data if necessary, and that should do it. Sometimes a simple restart can also resolve many temporary glitches, so you can long press on your power button of your device and look for the restart option, turn off your device and wait a few seconds and turn it back on. If that isn't working, you can try accessing Twitch through a browser. That can help you determine if the issue is device specific. For now, you may follow this method in order to fix your Twitch application not working. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.